Today's November 5th, and for market update today, I want to talk about why real estate agents are successful and why haven't we been replaced over the years with the emerging technologies. 2 days ago, Zillow announced that they are canceling their iBuyer program and laying off 25% of their staff. And to get into, well, what's different with us and why are we, still successful? You'd want to get into starting with why. This is a great book from Simon Sinek, and one of my favorite quotes in here is people don't care what you do, they care why you do it. And getting into why we do what we do, we sell, well, I know for most successful agents, reason why we get up in the morning and go to work is because we sell a product that improves the lives of our customers. That's a great feeling of satisfaction. It's also a great feeling of responsibility to stay up to date on continuing education, market trends, and all the tools that we have at our disposal to help our customers. So if you are looking for advice, an advisor from a professional versus an algorithm, I suggest that you contact a professional real estate agent. And if you would like our help, you can contact us at area code 772 999 1979. I hope you have a great day.